How to fix 5 MDLC files are missing or corrupted. So the first thing you can go ahead and try is open up your launcher first to your actual GTA 5 legacy, not inside your Fivem, and then just go ahead and open up its properties. So right click on the legacy since enchants isn't available under Fivem. So go ahead to properties over here, and then you're gonna go to the installed files and just go ahead and press on verify integrity of game files. You can go ahead and wait for that to finish, and if it works, then that's pretty much it for now. But if it doesn't, you can go ahead and redirect the file of your Fivem and the GTA 5 together. So you could stay here in the installed files and open up this, which is the browse for the specific file, and then you'll be able to copy paste the redirectory of the GTA 5. So go ahead and copy that first. Once you've done that, you can go ahead to your search bar over here and just find your Fivem and press the open file location. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and open file location again. So right click on your Fivem launcher and find the open file location again, and then go to Fivem application data. You're gonna have to find a file named citizenfx.ini. If you don't find something like this, you can just go ahead and open up another file. You can press on new and press on text document and name it exactly the same as this. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and paste in the GTA 5 redirectory over here. So go ahead and copy that file that you found beforehand and then just go ahead and paste it over here. Then you're gonna go to the file over here and then just save. Then you can try reopening your Fivem with the GTA 5 this time and see if it works. Also try restarting your launchers and your laptop or PC or whatever device you're using after doing all of this. But those are a few things you can put in mind to potentially fix this little problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.